Hey guys, just to let you know, I got the new phone, OnePlus 3. Very nice phone. So I've been using it for a while now, and the best function I found out is actually this little hole here. It's called the headphone jack. This is the best function for all your tangled up headphones and the AUX cables. I have a lot of these lying around, and yes, they are very useful for me, like going for a jog and walking to school. When I drive, I need this to listen to my music from my old car. This is one of the reasons why I love this headphone jack, is because of my Sony 5.1 1200 watts audio system. When I got nothing better to do, all I have to do is plug the AUX line into my phone and play some music. Oh, almost forgot. This is another great function that I've used a lot when I was driving. It's the AUX input for my car. All I have to do is plug into this excellent headphone jack, press play, and leave it there, and I'm good to go. Such a great function. Three, two, one, action.